I just want to do a quick video on, trading the trend line, trading the channel, and how to stay in the trade. And what can happen. Sometimes they're fake outs, sometimes they're their actual breakdowns. Breakouts and breakdowns or fake outs, either or. So the USAT here, we can see it started this morning. In the pre-market, it was very choppy, but very little volume. And then at the opening, it takes this big pop and then starts up in this uptrending channel. And we were able to draw the channel line to look like this. And as it goes up, you sell a bit at the top of the channel. So let's say you entered this at, 6.25. Gets up to 650, you sell a little bit because now you have this parallel channel going. You could draw, and then it continues higher, holds the trend line, gets up here. You sell a little bit more, 670, and then a bit more at 680, and it gets up around 690, and it starts to flatten out. So you maybe sell a little bit more up in there. But in the meantime, sorry, I missed this pullback. In the meantime, so you're selling a little bit up in here at the 680 area, and then it corrects and it comes off sharp as can be and reverses quickly, but up to the trend line. When I saw this stock coming off like this and then breaking the channel line, I would have exited the trade, because what can happen? You don't know that it might be this action. Instead, it reversed and it went higher by another 20 or 30 cents, and you could have taken it. But for the extra 20 or 30 cents, I would have been stopped out here when it broke this channel line. I said, okay, that's it, I'm gone. Because you just never know. What if this had turned in, take this and add it onto here, and that would have been you would have given back all your profits. So, sometimes you get faked out on these channels, and they do that sometimes. We're not the only ones that are watching channels, trend lines. Market makers see that. They maybe have to see they've got some big orders coming in to buy. So they whack it, collect as much inventory as they can, and then take it back up. And then it got up into here, the 690 range. And that was, it topped out, rolled over. And when it rolled over, then again, there's your exit starts to come off sharply, especially on this rollover like this. These are the two kind of, you can see here, these spikes down. Those, you want to be getting out of this trade when that happens. And sure enough, it came back to, close to the entry level. But so that, this is just a good example of getting shook out on a spike down, and then the actual trade that you should have been out of the trade.